rewarded me with another way of approaching God. A way that saw the union of spirit and flesh has nothing itself of the world to be a place of encounter with God. In the Bible, people encounter God on the trees, on riverbanks, on mountains, in